lighting nice? At least I think so. I just got this lamp. It's a shop, I think it's called shopcanvas.co is their website. It's from this company called Shop Canvas, and they make these incredible, really sturdy base lamps that are also technically phone holders and everything. So I wanted to spend today doing a whole YouTube review and unboxing, showing you guys the packaging, the setup, the logistics, everything about this lamp, so you guys can decide if it's truly worth the money, because this is actually a pretty expensive lamp in my opinion. It's not budget friendly, but you'll see if it's worth the money. So first impressions are about the packaging, because that's the first thing I'm experiencing from this company. There was a large brown box, and inside of the brown box I had two smaller boxes. One is pretty heavy and the other one is kind of light. So I'm going to open both of these boxes and show you what came in them. This box, this one has the base, the walnut base, and I already love the bubble wrap that it came in. It was very, very well protected. It is a very heavy base, which is what's going to help hold the stand of the lamp so it doesn't tip over when your phone is clamped inside. So I'm already loving this base. I can't wait to put it to the test. So inside this second box, it's a little bit smaller. This one comes with the lamp, the clamp on base that you attach to your desk. It comes with everything else except for the walnut base. I do like that they're packaged separately so that they don't damage each other in transit. So I'm already noticing this is a lot lighter than that base, which honestly that's very important, especially because you don't want it to tip over when it's holding your phone. Your phone's already going to have enough weight on it. You don't want this mount to be super heavy. So this is the clamp on base. It comes with a plug-in, a little hex screw, and a little sticker, and some instructions I'm probably not going to be reading, to be honest. So first things first, I'm just going to clamp on the C-clamp to my desk edge right here, and we're going to put it to the test. So the canvas lamp mount just slides right in there, and you just have to tighten it with that little knob, and then you just plug it in to whatever plug-in outlet you have. It is a USB plug-in, so if you don't want to plug it into an outlet, or you have a USB plug-in, you can use that as well without having to plug it into a wall. So I'm just testing out the different light settings and moving it around to get a feel for how this works. So I'm going to transfer the mount over to the walnut base that I have, and I'm going to make sure that it's tightened in so that the mount doesn't slide out when I'm moving it around on my desk. So now I'm just going to test everything out, see all the angles, see how everything moves. I do think it's cool that the phone holder moves at an axis as well. So according to Canvas's website, there are 6 axis points to where this mount can rotate. So I'm going to go through those in further detail in a moment. I slid my phone into the mount phone holder, and I'm going to set it to record to show you the different light changes in just a moment. But so far I'm loving how this looks. It's really nice. It's really sleek. This rotates several different ways. You can see up and down, left to right. It all goes all the way up to the ceiling if you want it to. So if you want to take photos looking up at your wall, you totally could. So here I'm going to be messing with the warmth settings, going to cool and daylight settings. There's 3 different temperature settings, and there's 10 different intensity levels. So I'm going to start dimming it all the way to the dimmest setting possible. And this is what it looks like from my camera to my phone. So you can see the differences. So to go over it one last time, you have the light settings, then you have 2 points of access right here at the base where it rotates, and then another point of access right here where it rotates. And then if you move up right over here, it's going to rotate 2 more times. And then your phone, where the phone is clamped in, that rotates as well, giving you 6 total rotation access points. So it can turn 6 different ways. It has tons of mobility, tons of options. You are not limited to what you can do with this almost at all, to be honest. I really like this. So you can either use the C-clamp that I have here if you don't want to use a base and you don't want it to take up desk space, or you can spring for the gorgeous walnut base. They actually have different color bases if you want, but I went for the walnut because I like that natural wood look. So all in all, I really like this. I'm going to give you guys an updated review in a couple of months after I've been using it for quite a while. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!